Hello everyone, my name is Bianca and I'm part of the marketing team at Cubeo AI. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI social media strategist. This AI agent will help you plan smarter, post better and grow faster on social media. This is the prompt I will use. What we need is an AI agent that will help us plan and optimize our social media content. The agent should suggest content ideas based on our niche, audience and goals, help us write posts tailored to each platform. The agent should also guide us on the best times to post, content formats to use and how to improve engagement. Of course, the agent must keep up with current trends and give us practical tips for growing the brand online. Let's see what it can do. Our social media strategist is now ready. First of all, we have to take a look at the tools it integrated. So let's go to this section and we have keyword suggestions, data for SEO related keyword ideas, of course this tool that will generate social media visuals, the tools for LinkedIn, another tools for Reddit, the researcher and the web browser. Also we have to take a look at the settings. We have the name of the assistant, the description which you can change, the AI model, you can select another one from the ones available in the platform if you want, the AI assistant instructions which are a bit more complex than the prompt that we have used, and the visibility, private or public. Now let's put in our prompt. Let's say that we manage social media for Coca-Cola. What we need are 3 content ideas for Instagram that highlight summer vibes, connect with Gen Z and encourage user engagement. The agent should include the best format, the suggested posting times and the catchy caption or hook for each of the posts. Let's try it. In just a few seconds, the agent did its research. Let's take a look at the content ideas. First of all, we have a strategy overview, of course very important for when you want to do some contents for Instagram. Then research insights and the content ideas. The first idea is called Summer Main Character Moments and it is a carousel post. So we have this picture and the format, hook and caption. Then another one is called Summer Memory Maker, that it's a campaign post, and as we can see we have multiple images. And again the format, hook, caption, and the third idea, Summer Aesthetic Check, and this is a reel with a picture, the format, hook and caption. Also the agent included the optimal posting schedule, the engagement optimization, of course current trends to leverage, the visual content strategy for Gen Z and the platform specific adaptations, along with keywords and hashtags. And these are all the steps you have to follow. Now you'll have a clear content plan for your brand, smart posting times and platform specific ideas that drive engagement. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more marketing tutorials for different use cases.